Okay guys, it's our third day night here, and we're gonna go to SM. We can go here. Huh? So it's our third breakfast here.
It's brunch. Just want to get 2 eggs scrambled.
2 eggs scrambled, sir.
And sausage.
Which one's your Hungarian sausage?
May more Hungary na ako.
American sausage.
Scramble siya.
And then, I'm going to get
We will...
sorry. I'm going to get buttered toast.
Buttered toast.
Well done na siya, ha?
Okay.
Ang sa American sausage, may toasted bread na siya dala, ma'am.
Yeah.
You can add one toasted
muna na
buttered
siya.
toast, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
At sa toasted bread.
Buttered toast. Buttered toast.
With butter toast. Well done siya, ha?
What else, ma'am?
Ang ako, ano sad, bacon na lang sa hapon yun. Scramble din. Toast siya. Well done siya po.
One American breakfast sausage, scrambled egg. How about you, ma'am? Scrambled egg also.
Ano lang, bacon lang akin. Meat.
Scrambled egg mo, ma'am?
Scramble din. 2 eggs na ba yan?
Yes, ma'am. 2 eggs.
Okay. Then, ang toast is ano din, kahit medium done lang. Okay right din. As long as brownish. Coffee? There is?
Yes, we have coffee. Table coffee.
I'm just going to get juice.
Just may tea kayo?
Meron tea, yes, ma'am.
Tea na lang. Tea with ano, cream, milk. Meron kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yun.
What about your drinks,
Sir? Sorry, sir?
Kaya umulit, mas pesos na.
Oh.
Hindi, joke na. Padala ko kay tata, ito sa Netherlands lang.
Ang rich. How rich? How rich, sir? Po? Thank you kagabi. Ano, malapit pala doon. Kasi nagda-drive ako. Mas lalong ano, dito lang pala walking distance. Yeah.
Pag sa ko,
Kasi naiwan yung phone sa ano sa restaurant. So hinahabol ko doon. Nakuha ko man. Nakuha ko yun. Thank you. Oh, so how many days are you here, sir? Okay. That's what the guy says. Not good. The AC is blow up here in our side. Where were we? That one table? The hard table? The chair? Okay. It's okay. So I will be here. I want to view here. Correct. Look at here, guys. A lot of transportation, public transportation is bus. Ayan, no. Bus. Ilang kita, may naka-cover. They stop here, guys. Okay. the name of the coffee shop? See? Anong name ng coffee shop niyo?
Sia po.
Sia. 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 Okay, this is a coffee shop of Sia. It's like C. Ano yun? Ah, babayad.
So, grabe una, tea na lang.
Oh, kahit, ay, it's better. Bigyan mo kami ng water, ha? Serving water. Yeah. Serving water lang. Thank you po.
Put pesos.
Thank you. Ito na kami, titingin ako ng mga... Okay, we're here and then...
There's no more paper.
This is a Sia coffee shop. Okay. Look at the bus here. They are stopping here because we are close to the SM. Walking distance only. The SM here. Last night, that guy is the one who helping me. She was a customer. I thought it's sad. She was sitting in the guard. I thought she was a... I wonder why she's very old. I thought she was already long time ago here, so I'm asking. Sir,
Thank you, sir. Let me, sir. I'm going to,
they have also a jeepney taxi in Bacolod. Nice. But I don't see totally a trike, a bike. I don't see a trike.
Not usually.
This is clean.
This is one.
Because the trike is the one that's crowded. Oh, they have it.
Maybe it's riding with it. It's all natural.
Tricycad. I don't know if it's tricycad. Tricycle. I think it's tricycle. It's not tricycle. Tricycad is the bike one.
What did we get that was so expensive? 860. So that's 440 per breakfast. Should be 280 per breakfast.
280. Maybe another charge this one. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's okay. It's good. It's good.
No. They don't have what to call this one?
Receipt.
Huh?
Receipt.
No, another
You
word.
got a receipt, but
Another word.
just tell you. Check. It's a bill. Just a breakdown of the bill.
Breakdown.
Never paid that much. Not even for a dinner. It's too late to get the money back now if it's not started.
Yeah, but it's, I asked, yeah, I can give you, maybe there's different the price. This is near coffee.
You know, usually if you order juice, they give you the juice that they serve with the...
Because what I saw in the pictures, only breakfast is in the no coffee they show.
So I think so, because it wasn't coffee, it wasn't breakfast time. Which is okay.
We are here just enjoying watching this road because the buses here is the transportations, it's a bus. Look at to see that they stop over here in this corner of the hotel. Bata Libertario. Sister Nancy. This is an old house. Imagine 1961. Martyrs. It's an old house. You see the building? 1961. So I'm not yet born. Huh? But it's strong, huh? Very strong. Very old. They have a year they built. 1961. I'm still not born. Oh my gosh. Some market. We get our breakfast. Mine is toast, bacon, scrambled egg. My husband is sausage, toast, and scrambled egg. With the tea and my husband with the juice. So that's it. So we're gonna be. Okay, let's go. So, okay, this is the place. Okay.
Pwede nga dua ka sa lakyan, mama.
Oo, so big. Okay.
Puros lang. Kaya ang hanapan na ng space na lang. Depende ka sa tagiya eh. No refill.
Ay, siya, tatlo ka kwarto.
Tatlo ka kwarto.
Ito kwarto may aircon, ha? Yaman
Okay.
yung bathroom. Ito siguro yung masters niya. Meron
So, siya, babig ba minute? Yun ang importante eh.
Ito siya, medyo malaki. Ito, pwede na nito masters, oh. Meron siya, ano? Sure. Ito medyo malaki.
split time siguro dito last time.
Meron kami. Oh, okay.
Ito yung room ni Ma'am Lorifi.
Hindi lang room yan?
Ay, inaiyan sang mama.
Pero hindi dako.
O, dako.
Ito yung bathroom. Taas naman yung ceiling. Hindi man mainit, no? Hindi siya mainit man taas yung ceiling.
Oo. I guess view, ha?
Mostly kasi dito ang nag-rent, ma'am.
Ay, isa lang bathroom. Isa lang bathroom po?
Ito mo,
Ay,
dalawa na.
how do you have two?
Siguro ito yung masters. Dito siya nagtutulog.
Okay.
Dalawa lang palang aircon. Ito meron siyang double deck, oh.
Oo.
Kitchen.
Ito merong kakwa.
You can go outside is another extend laundry area. Yeah.
Ganun din area dero. Outside.
I think it's there. Hanging you can hang? No. Okay. This is the dirty kitchen. So, okay. So big.
Malamig mo tubig, ma'am. May ano siya, may
On
overhead
that.
tank. May overhead water tank.
Ano yan dyan?
That's somebody else.
May apartment na niya, ma'am. May guard si mama nag-star.
Dere ko.
Pero hindi duwa may tawan eh.
Kami daw sa...
Kamo.
Dere mo man.
Duway mo nga yun.
Pero until 28 lang ni sila.
Okay.
Mas namin ito hindi. Nice.
Gamay lang na gano'n.
Ano gamay
The
lang?
apartment lang naman. The studio type.
Two bedroom.
Good for 2 lang na ma'am. Dapat transient lang siya, ma'am.
So the big
Dito, ma'am,
garage.
Ano to siya? Garage.
Garage. Oo.
There, you have to get an apartment. Yeah,
Yeah.
not to live in a park there because
Dako, yan parang.
that's those are private back in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi iyakan natin ng ganyan na,
Smell that.
Ma'am, sa'yo po to yung bahay ko po. May
Yeah.
security guard eh, wala?
Ay, nandiyan ka
Pero may security guard eh, wala?
security. Ang security, kabura na eh. Nag-rent lang na da.
Okay.
Ang ilang laundryhan, ay ilang tubig daw. Arada.
Okay.
Okay.
These are apartments.
So this is apartment.
That is for transient only.
Okay.
Transient. Sila, until 28 ka mo ta? Until ang 28 ka mo?
Ay, hindi ang piyapi.
Door 1 and door 1?
Door 1 and door 2 kami na lang.
Okay.
So she is living in the second door. This first door we're gonna be moved by 28.
Pero ito ma'am, pwede, ano yung mukha ma'am, ang SUV?
Is maliit lang. It's the Toyota. Toyota
Toyota
Vios.
yung si ma'am, Toyota Vios din yung car niya. Dito niya
Oo.
park.
Oo. Okay.
Malakas tubig dito ma'am.
Yeah.
Problema kasi sa Bacolod ng tubig.
Tubig.
Kung malakang tangke, walang tubig.
They have a tank just in case without electric power. So
Ay,
May
Ha?
Herman?
wala tubig na.
I do be.
May tangke ito. Kiko!
Yeah, we saw that
Ato.
tank. They have a tank.
Second door.
Oo.
Hello, boy.
Okay. So dalawa lang dito. Dalawang dalawang doors.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawang doors.
Dalawang doors lang. Ito sa ito ma'am.
Oo. That's it.
Mga ano naman dito, okay naman yung mga tao dito.
Oo.
Ang mga friendly people outside.
Friendly people like.
Oo. namin kasi dali.
So, what is the hanging, kanang hanging? Kanino yan? Kanino ito?
Ano sino yung isang na?
Security.
May security. May free security. Asa yun yun?
Secure. Sa hanging for
Oh,
that.
hanging.
For your
Laundry.
For hanging clothes.
ano kung doon no.
Ito, pwede din to. Medyo mataas.
No problem.
Yung mga singit mo.
Okay.
Last time dito company din nag-rent, no?
Oo, paano nga circus.
So, they have a
Yung
security.
circus sa Landers, basta may gawal dito nag-rent. Yung, di ba mayroong circus dyan, no? Sa may tapat
Hindi
ng
ko
Landers.
masyadong
Dito sila
mga
nag-rent.
familiar dito.
Okay.
Hindi ko familiar.
Last month. Nag-transfer sila sa dito. Kapangit, pwede saran. Kaya taga Dumaguete man sila.
Uy, may dog. Kuhan sila, okay.
Tapos sila ito, gani ma'am? May
Okay.
inuman ka mo, ma'am?
Ha?
Mayroon din kayong aso?
Hindi siya maano sa aso. Kasi ayaw niya yung aso na yan. Mga gusto niyang quiet.
Ito lang. Ito lang
Yeah.
yung bungalow house niya.
What is?
This is not going to be hard to put the air in.
Ha?
Tay, ikaw na masira ta?
Put the air in.
They have a hole here, oh. Let's see. Come on.
Solar yun siya. You don't have the question.
That one.
It's gotta be here.
Kasi meron kaming inverters.
Pwede naman, ma'am.
Pwede magpa-hole kami dyan.
Pwede naman. Mari,
Ha?
Problem would be the bricks.
The breakers?
Yeah, the bricks.
Oh, di ba sira yung bricks?
The bricks.
Kasi,
The side of this building is bricks.
dito mo lagay sa sala?
oo, kasi malaki yun, 2 point, para ma-centralize.
Floor mounted.
Dili, ano siya?
Split type lang. Split type
Wall.
Ito lang po siya.
Walls, inverters type.
Pwede
Split
nga
type.
dyan yung paagyo. Kami may
Yung water kasi yung draining niya. Kailangan talaga sa outside. Like that one. Kaya lang.
May yung apot. Pwede hindi ko namabutangan nila sa split type sa may salas na i-centralize nila. Pwede ko na pwede lang.
It's okay to put up, to hook up. It's okay to hook up. They don't worry. You don't worry. So, pwede kayo ang mag-hire ng to hook up. Kahit dito, pwede na rin, no?
Ma'am, kausapin ka ni ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ayan, na-worried yung mister ko kasi meron kaming inverter na split type na 2 HP, 2 horsepower. So, gusto niya kasi para malamig na what do you call this? Centralized dito ang para isa lang ang namin, isa na lang ang aircon maipara namin, yung ganyan. Pero ang problema baka masira yung brakes. Hirap ang kwan sa brakes mo kasi ang type ng mo is brakes. Yung wall mo kasi sa outside is a brakes.
It's okay, ang gagawa ba, mag-ubra ka ba doon na isa?
Okay, kayo na ang mag-hire ng
Kami na, pero okay lang kayong magbayad sa labor.
Okay lang kung okay lang basta lang kasi dalhin namin yun kasi mayroon kaming doon bilikit talaga namin, so kailangan namin dito bit-bitin saka i-install it. So kayo na lang ang maghanap ng installer para hindi kami sira sa ninyo.
Yes, mama. Mayroon ako kasi 19 years.
And what you need to add-on for your sit.
You have to just put the outside unit in,
Sige,
and
mama.
the inside
Kayo
unit.
ba
It's got that
sa
big
hindi?
Yeah.
It's just like the window unit because you
Ma'am,
get
saan
about
kayo,
100
ma'am?
feet of wall.
So you like? Did you like it?
No water pressure.
There is a tank.
There's a tank, so you're not getting any water pressure, so you're not going to be able to run heaters.
Huh?
Not enough water pressure to run heaters.
Ang heater, water heater, sir? Alam mo yung water heater pa din, ah? Ang imunin nga, no?